Wagwan. Welcome back to another video, you see me? But before we even get started, I want to give out my respect to everybody who been and support the channel. You see me? Been and watch the video them from day one. Right now we're there 118 subscribers. You see me? I want to see if we can get the channel to 200 subscribers quick and fast, you see me? Alright, so with that said, for today's video, I'm going to do a muffler delete and a resonator delete for my 428i, you see me? So, right now, I'm just going to pick up the tip them, the muffler tip. I'm going to go to the quad tip, 2 on the left side and 2 on the right side, you see me? So, we're just going to pick up the muffler tip them right now and circle in the back, you see me? But I want to say something about the BMW them, you see me? Just in case anybody want to buy a BMW, I'm going to run through some things about the BMW, you see me? So as you know, me drive a 428i, you see me? But it quick, you get me I say? It's a really quick machine. But if you really want a fast BMW, you see me? You'd go for more like a 335i, 340, 435, 440, or any of the M them, M2, M3, M4. You see me? My BMW, it have a N20 engine, right? It generates 240 horsepower with a 4-cylinder. You see me? Same thing with the 328i. 240 horsepower with a 4-cylinder. You see me? So the 335 and 340i then they come with a 6-cylinder. You see me? We generate about 305 horsepower, 310 horsepower, something like that. You see me? But them they are 6-cylinder. You see me? So if you really want a fast, like a fast machine, you see me? But you go for one of them BMW. If me I go upgrade, means I'm love 4 series. You see me? But I'm gonna go like a 435. You see me? Or a 440. You see me? Because M4 money. And they're expensive, you see? But I go for more like a 435 or a 440. You see me? So just remember, them 435, 335, 340, 440. Quick BMW them there, you see me? So if you want a BMW, quick BMW, get one of them there, you see me? So just like that, pick up the muffler tip them, quad tip, you see me? The back height. Alright, so try to get them installed right now, you see me? So I'm so circle back. So we just reach our muffler place, you see me? Get it started out right now, you see me? I'll try to the rim. I know people interested in them things.
Yeah, if I put this fine too, I'm not doing should I record it or upload it too? Sure too.
Go over a little bit.
Keep a light.
Use a big finger. Go over, look into the lights a bit. The center, look at it.
You watch it, you know. You have to put your...
One spin a little bit. One spin?
I said safer.
Okay.
What machine?
I said it look like it's not one, like a little fish.
I said keep them come. I said see.
That you forward?
The tip them lean. I said.
Oh, so it's kind of like...
Buckler. Yes, man. It's heavy, you know, my yacht. Buckler. Push. So we have a local problem for you. Can't fit the bumbuckler, the fucking battery charging. You see me? So in order to put on the tip them, it have to be done in a later date. You see me? In our next video, cause can't fit. And yes, so one brother too.
You see them tip are big. You see me, so right now I'm going to follow the muffler the lead. You see me? Keep the same stock muffler. And in the near future, I'll drop on back this. You see me? Because I'm working, I've got to do under this view like. You see me? So I don't know it correct yet, so. Comfort. Yesterday I come home, I link the body shop. And I chat to the man and like him and say, yo, tip them can hold. You see me, so I shot got to tip them right now, you see me? And see if it can really hold, you see me? I'm gonna flap on the two side there. That's the sensor here for the valve. You know? I work on it right now. Alright, so sorry about the bad light. It's like 5 in the morning. We have on the muffler, the quad tip muffler them now. I'm gonna take cold start.
Perfect. My auto.
Watch the patrol that you know.
Yeah, man, that's so good. That's so good. Clear the pop. Okay.
Nah, you're bumbo
Go on, roadblock. Go on, feed before light change. What's
Hold on my side. Yeah, change lane now. Yeah, change lane now. Go there, man. Yeah, change lane now.
Hands up.
Buy this, man. Buy this. Yeah, more on the ventilator. Two bad machine them outdoor, you see? Oh, joke. Peace. A dead.
watching. If you like the video, ensure to click the like button, comment, and ensure to subscribe.